Hello, everybody. We are going to start with the very first class of web designing. The subject is SEC2, that is about web designing and analytics. And the rest, today I'm going to talk about what things are available, what are the important contents that we need to know, how to explore a web design. This is our very first session, very first topic. As you all can see, I have made a quick presentation so that I can take you through all these four important aspects of web designing. The first unit is about web designing, exploration, and conversion rate optimization. We'll see what is a web design. In simple words, it means creation of websites. You can see a lady working on a computer. There is some kind of graph that is displayed. It is all encompassing of many different skills and disciplines that people need in production and maintenance of websites. Now, there are different areas which are included in this, such as graphic design, interface design, authoring, including standardized codes, user experience design, search engine optimization. These all things are there included in web designing. As you can see, the overview is given to you. It was in late 90s working at CERN. Tim Berners-Lee proposed to create a global hypertext project, and that led to exploration, or that led to the start of web designing. Next is what tools and technologies are available. Now, web designers use a variety of different tools depending on what part of production process are involved. They can update over and over period of time. Web designers both use vector and raster graphic editors. We'll see an in-depth look about it. As I was telling you, technologies used to create websites are W3 standards like HTML, that is hypertext markup language, and cascading style sheets. So this is how it works. And the key takeaways about web designing, or you can call it as three importances. It helps in showcasing company's brand. A good design, a good web design includes basics such as white space, color, navigation, positioning, etc. Good websites can help in cash inflows of the company also. Then there are different ways of exploring any website. So we will see how a website is explored. As we all know, there is a home page for every website. So we can first visit the page and we can start going through what kind of text, images, and other features the website is allowing us. There are some pages which are still being loaded, and there are menus and other buttons. Menus and buttons are linked to the different URLs, that is Universal Resource Locator, where you can search, you can download it on your screen, you can download in your computer, your Mac, etc., on your Android. All these links are associated to a single word sentences, which can help you to find the blog, or you can just sign into the newsletter. You can see how, when the website was formed, when the company was formed. You can find the ways how you can contact. The drivers and trends about modern 2020 trends that have been seen. It is about the white space. Modern website design is heading back to minimalization of tight, purposeful white space. Full page headers are available. There are playful cursors where people are seeing this. They are very happy exploring such websites. Dynamic scrolling is available. There are custom illustrations. Grid designs are different, and there are bold fonts and different things available. Then, future of web design or future of websites. According to the statistics that I have got from internet, 94% of first impressions relate to your website's design. 75% of website, the credibility of the company depends on that. 89% of the consumers shop with a competitor after a poor user experience. This is very important. And 74% of users are more likely to return to the mobile friendly websites. Obviously, because there is a lot of disruption in the technology, there are people who may use personal computers, the heavy desktops, the heavy monitors which are there, but now people are switching over to mobile, and they will look for something that is very responsive. A website, if is not responsive, the design is not responsive, then people may not like it. And the key takeaways of our today's session is only and only about what kind of careers are available. If you can take up jobs here, there are two types of jobs which are available. One is about web designer and web developer. Their degrees and qualification are again can match, but the work they do can differ in some uh, ways. Graphic designers need to create visuals such as logos, layouts, and the buttons. For example, there are graphic designing students who take up such career, and they're working in, say, automobile. They're working in Volkswagen, in big companies. And then others have to keep a web presence, have some kind of strategy, and keep on targeting the viewers, and look for different promotional activities which are different from their competitors. Search engine optimization writers are there, they keep on researching, they keep on recommending, they keep on bringing new changes where they can hold on to the consumers and give the traffic that is required for the website. Internet copywriters, just like there are copywriters in advertising, there are people who write the copy. It's very important that they write a kind of message that is very appealing to the target audiences when they view the site. And last is user experience. UX designers incorporate aspects of user focused designs, which is again, it should be very user centered design. User testing is required. There is a lot of survey done to see what the user wants, what are the needs of people, where are they going to invest our time. And it totally depends on how you create your website, how you check into all these things. So this was all about today's session. If there is any difficulty, please let me know on Moodle, please message me on Moodle, so that you can also go through all the links. The web links have been already given. And do not ignore this subject, because subject is very important. I hope you all have understood today's topic. So that's all for today, and please let me know if you have any doubt. Thank you.